Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes. So chalo, today let's learn a beautiful craft of Christmas tree with something which is absolutely waste, okay? And you will be surprised to see that one old notebook of yours or textbook of yours or any magazine or old magazine could be converted in such lovely and beautiful Christmas tree. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. Okay, here on my screen you can clearly see I kept one old notebook and this kind of laces we have. I have a big shiny star to display on the top. If you don't have, it's okay. Whatever material you have, you can use that. You can even make a bow of this kind of shiny lace, and you can put that also. So here you can see this full view of the work will help you understand it better. Am I clearly audible? Show your thumbs up. So show your thumbs up if you all can hear me properly. Yes, and we always start our work with a buddy Wali smile. So show me your thumbs up with buddy Wali smile. Yes, because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy. And today we are going to reuse a waste stuff for making very creative Christmas tree. Yes, and yes, of course, your patience and everything is needed. And Hannah, what we do normally when for your class decoration, school decoration, children ask you to bring things, you simply rush to market and purchase new things. But don't do that. Try to reuse waste stuff. Because when you purchase things from market directly or indirectly, you are creating more garbage. We should not do that. Okay. So that's why countless this kind of craft I have covered up in which using waste material and we are creating Christmas bells, Christmas Santa Claus, Christmas tree, and all. And in that direction only, today we will be using a waste notebook, which you can see on the screen, a 3D Christmas tree, okay, and leftover stuff at home. And we will use that only. So, are you ready? Show me your thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes, with a bright smile. Yes, okay, because your craft, your art is nothing but reflection of your heart. So, chalo, let's get started. And today we have a beautiful story because lots of patience is needed for this. Okay, so I will keep this very big star which I'm going to display on the top of my Christmas tree on one side. This lace also I will keep on one side. And I will start with my notebook. So, what you need to do, notebook, textbook, whatever you have, you can use that. Okay. First of all, the cover, like front and back cover, these are quite thick. So very carefully you will remove it. And we don't want it, so you will remove it. You can take help of scissors if you feel it's not happening easily. So here it's very nicely tucked. So I will simply cut it nicely. And the cardboard which we will be getting. And this cardboard, please don't throw it. We will learn many more crafts using this cardboard. Okay? But nothing is useless for us. And see such lovely pattern here. And it could be used as it is also. So don't throw this cardboard. Keep it on one side. We will use it in upcoming sessions. And now you have this textbook ready. If you feel that initial few pages, like see this page is in very poor condition, you can remove this page. And a textbook, notebook, magazine, any kind of uh, thing could be used. Okay. And yes, lots of patience and your neat and clean fold. Okay. Yes. So this is your book ready. All of you remove the thick pages, upper and lower side, and this kind of pages which are simply coming out, remove them before. All pages are quite strong. So yeah, now it's perfect to use. And make sure you will use something useless. Okay. Don't try a blank notebook for making it. And I try to use useless because our main motto and theme is the purpose is to reuse waste stuff. Yes. So any discarded notebook, textbook you can use. Any kind of. Okay. Now you will see a beautiful 3D tree would be created with a very simple fold, and try to learn this fold, and very with lots of patience you will do this. And then our story will start. So your hands will be doing this fold and your ears will be listening and enjoying lovely story. Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. Are you ready with your notebook and textbook? Show me. Show me. And if it is very thin, suppose it is having few pages, then you can take few of this kind and you can fold and then you can paste it with each other. And suppose your magazine or whatever you took Rupayan, and many times in newspaper we get Rupayan. So it is very thin. So you can get 5 to 6 Rupayans and then you can paste them together. This can also be done. Rupayan, Rangayan, this kind of magazine we get with newspaper. Ready? Yes, show me. Show me what you have in your hands. Okay, ready? Now you will see this absolutely useless book will become a lovely Christmas tree. Okay. Now what folds? Now very first thing, let's learn the folds. Now what you will do? You will fold this line we have, not this line. This line will come here. Come on, fold it like this. And press it. With finger, you will press it. When you press it nicely, what happen, I will give a little bigger view so that you can see it more clearly. Okay. So I fold it this way. Come on, fold. Now this lower portion we have now. This lower portion, this point. Now, come on, fold it first and press it with your finger. Now this lower portion which we have, this point we have. And this line. See, this line will go on it. See, like this. Come on. I will do it this way so that you will be able to understand. And here, this corner, you can see it will be folded this way. Outside in, you will find a point in the end. See, is this a point in the end? Yeah, it is pointed. Now what you will do, this line again, you will fold and this line will come exactly on straight line. Like this. And you will press it. This is the fold for our Christmas tree. Okay. Yes, this fold you need to repeat with lots of patience while enjoying our story. Okay? So, chalo, without delay, let's get started. So, now you will do this. Now, see again, I will show you again. What you will do, you will fold it one first fold. Okay. And then here, this corner, second fold. And then you will take it and the whole this. Come on, do it with me. And you will not do any mistake while folding it. And one more fold. And you will keep folding it this ways, one after another. Very carefully. My fold number 1, fold number 2, fold number 3. Okay, this is the way you will be completing it nicely. Okay, come on. And make sure your fold should be perfect. Can you see? It has started taking the shape of Christmas tree. See? These are going to be the arms of Christmas tree. Okay? Chalo. So come on with lots of patience. Let's do it. Okay, first fold, second fold, and third fold. Okay? Where with lots of patience, you will be doing it. With lots of patience. Okay? Come on. And make sure the point on the top, the mistake students where do this point part. They miss this point part. Make sure when you will give fold, it should go perfect. It should go perfect. The point should be absolutely pointed. The upper point, all of us say, students miss this upper point. The point should be absolutely pointed and it will go this way. Okay? Come on. So here we will get started this ways. Okay? And yes, come on, keep doing this ways. And you will continue, and continue. First fold, second fold, and third fold. Okay? Now you will go for your third fold this way. Okay? Make sure you will be very, very careful about your shape, your fold. Okay? And according to the size of your paper, like many of you are having different size, many of you are having another size. According to size of your paper, your fold will be little different, but don't worry. And together it is going to create a masterpiece. So chalo, let's complete it. So today's story is about a Santa Claus. Okay. So what happened? Like this is the story of one boy and a girl, and their names in our story are um, Angelina and David. Okay, Angelina and David. So they wanted to meet Santa Claus because they wanted to see the future. है ना? They wanted to see the future, and that's why they wanted to meet Santa Claus. Make sure your fold should be perfect. Okay, if your fold is going to be wrong, then your whole efforts will go waste. Okay, so don't miss your fold, don't miss corners. With patience, you will continue doing. And make sure the upper point is very important. Students normally miss it. So press it nicely, and upper point should not miss its place. See, can you see? It's very clear that now the shape is coming accordingly. Okay, come on. And I will be doing all the papers this ways. I will continue my story. So this Angelina and David, they were very much excited to see the future because they were reading a lot about future. Our future is going to have the kind of buildings which will be like thousands of floors in that, and we will be having vehicle which would be floating in sky, and moon is going to become a station. Like today we have metros and all. So that way, moon is going to be kind of station on which we are going to have stay. I know that they were so eager to see the future. They wanted to see the future. If something could be done or any time machine could take us to future, this was a great deep desire of them that we want to see the future. Okay, see, this is the way you will finish it. Okay. And can you see Christmas tree's shape is odd? Can you see it is? And what is this? These are just waste papers. So what happened then in my story? They started thinking about what they can do so that they can go to future and they can see the beauty of future. Like tall buildings which are simply reaching through sky, and like all vehicles, they are floating in sky. That would be a great and technological development, lighting all around. Night will turn into days. So this all they wanted to see. And the floating houses, like in future, on ocean, the houses will be floating on ocean. So these all kind of things which we visualize today, they wanted to see. And that's why they were looking for something which can take them to future. Okay. And this is the story of Angelina. Can you see? Now you are able to see now? See, the shape of Christmas tree is coming. Okay. And keep doing same with all the pages. Okay. Yes, with lots of patience. More the pages, dense your tree is going to be. And if you have less pages and your file is not getting turned in round, then you need to add one more book in it. And you will be doing pasting of it. So automatically after doing, you will able to understand. Make sure the point should not miss. Okay. Please take care of point and even the lower this. So what happened in my story? They started thinking, and this was time when Santa Claus, everyone was waiting for Santa Claus. And Santa Claus reached to those who are very obedient, those who are respectful, those who are helpful, those who do studies sincerely, those who value every resources, those who respect everyone around. है ना? So they started following all the things which are needed to meet Santa Claus. And yeah, actually, not only just to meet Santa Claus, this Angelina and David, they were very good children. And whenever they were finding anyone in need, they were always ready, whether it is classroom or outside classroom. Once when they were coming school, they were able to see one beggar was sitting here along with a child, who was starving, who was hungry, and was asking for some food. So immediately they took out their tiffins and gave it to them. So they were very helpful, very kind hearted, compassionate, loving, not only for humans, but even for birds and all. And summers, like during summer holidays, when all children they dream to sleep for longer time, but these children they were waking up early morning, because so that in extreme summers they can take care of grain and water for birds. है ना? And this ways they were bird watcher also. They were taking care that the squirrels coming on in their garden should have proper food. And mom and dad, they were also supporting in this very noble cause of them. And they were getting bajra and all arranged so that for birds they can keep. And because see, you know what? These all animals, birds, they are also children of Mother Nature. And Mother Nature is mother of ours and even them. So we all are like brothers and sisters. But and we are supposed to take care of each other. We are supposed to have love and compassion for each other. These poor creatures, they can't go to registrar office and register a property as we can do. And we purchase a land and do the registration. They can't do this. But the fact is, they have equal right. Can you see this? The shape of Christmas tree has started coming. And what is this? This is just, and my paper is little green. You can see my paper is having little light green color. Even if you're using a gray book or any other book, it will be having a natural texture. So if you don't even color it, then also it is going to look good. If your paper is glossy, then your Christmas tree is going to look extremely beautiful. Okay, and like if your paper is square in shape, your tree will be little different. If it is quite long, then the fold will be little different. But yes, in the end, you will find a conical shape which will support to your Christmas tree. Okay, so what happened then in my story? Uh, so this ways they were very good. One more good cause they were creating. Good causes attract good effects in life. This is the law of universe. You know, my dear children, like gravitational force. This is the law of universe. When you will throw something, it is definitely going to come down. Because this is law which is prevailing. Same ways causes and effects are working simultaneously in your life. This is the law, and about this, Lord Buddha mentioned clearly in Pundarik Sutra. We know it as Lotus Sutra these days. है ना? In that it is written, if you will do any good cause, है ना? Definitely you are going to get its effect in your life. And if you will not do any cause, then your life will be stuck. So you need to keep doing good causes for getting good effects in life. Because causes and effects, they are happening simultaneously, as in lotus flower, flowering and fruiting is happening simultaneously. है ना? तो they were doing one more very good cause, and that was teaching to the maid child. They were Radha was maid who was working at their home, helper cleaning home, cleaning utensils, doing dusting and all. So these two kids, Angelina and David, they were teaching child of him. He was not going to school, so they were teaching, and finally, parents of Angelina and David took the responsibility and helped them getting admission in a government school so that he can study. So they were helping out him learning drawing, craft, and in studies also. Like he was not capable enough to go to coachings and tuitions. So they started teaching. So this ways they were helping out everyone around. Can you see the shape? You will be able to understand that how beautiful the shape is going to be. And once it is done, you will see how lovely it is going to look. Okay. Um, yes. So with patience, you will do and enjoy the story. Okay. And make sure you each and every fold should be perfect. Okay. So what happened then in my story? Yeah. See. So here in my story, what happened then? You will simply fold it nicely. Make sure your corner should be perfectly done. Press it nicely. Otherwise, you will find it difficult. And see, very few pages are left. And my story is also a little part of story is left. What happened then? Uh, on Christmas, they kept a wish that Santa Claus, please come to meet us with your sledge. And they clearly mentioned with your sledge because they wanted to travel in future, and no time machine is yet invented which can take you to future or past. So they were very sure only Santa Claus can do this. So they wanted to meet Santa Claus eagerly, and as they were creating good causes, they were good children, and they were very helpful. So Santa Claus also put the name of these children in the list who are going to get gifts. And what happened? Christmas. It was Christmas Day, and they were not able to sleep due to lots of excitement. They were looking at sky, and they were right from sky. In sky, a very big and bright uh, star rise, and it rise, and they were surprised to see this star started moving, and very soon they were able to understand the star is trying to reach them. Gradually the size of the star was increasing, and they were super excited to see this star. They kept their fingers crossed, and they were knowing that this is definitely Santa Claus who is on stage and is looking like a big ball of energy, like a star. And very soon they are going to meet Santa Claus. See, this paper is coming out, remove it. Many times what happened, we randomly tear some pages from middle. Because of this kind of papers, they start coming out. So you simply remove it. Okay. Yes, so after this, and this kind of Christmas trees, and a 3D Christmas trees to keep on windowsill, and bigger your page is going to be, and bigger your Christmas tree will be as big as your pages. Okay, so according to the size of your page, it will be made. And I will request like all of you to switch on to handmade things, reusing waste material at the place of purchasing things from market. Like when you purchase Christmas trees and you hand it over to your classroom, and after some time when Christmas is over, they all are part of garbage. And even I was teaching in a missionary school and I saw this. So what we are doing actually with our environment, and why don't we try to reuse things? And paper is biodegradable. The Christmas tree which you purchase from market, can you see even this paper is coming out? So I will remove it. The paper which is nicely tugged, I will fold that only. Otherwise, while folding only, that will come out. So these few papers, they were coming out. I simply remove it, and you will keep doing it with patience. The fold is very simple, but your procedure is a little long. So when said, and they were right. Slowly, that star started growing bigger, and very soon they were able to see Santa Claus in front of them. They were so happy. They were so stunned that they were not able to spell out even a single word. And Santa Claus said, "Ki, hey, my dear children, I am in front of you. Can't you believe this?" So they said, "Santa Claus, we are not able to believe this. Can we touch you so that we can believe that yes, you are in real standing in front of us?" Santa Claus said, "Of course, my dear children. Yes, you can. And you got selected because of your good causes. And the helpfulness you are showing for everything around, for birds, for animals, for plants, and for human. And because of this only, you were in my hit list." Okay. So they were very happy. They were very grateful that Santa Claus decided to meet to them. Okay. See, Anna, can you see? The shape is so perfect. So perfect, see? And it's from nowhere, it is looking like a book now. And its green color is so beautiful that no need of doing color. And see the stripe which we are having now, it is looking like a pattern. And all the lines we have, they are looking like a pattern over. है ना? So Doing green color is absolutely optional. If you want, you can. Otherwise, you can skip this. Like in maximum cases, I have seen not doing that green color is better option. Many times, if your paper is of poor quality, like you all are using different kind of paper, so many times what happen, the paper absorb the color, and the corners which are looking quite sharp, they become broad. And they lose its shape, and the tree also looks so very dry. If you want to apply very dry coat of green, you will apply how I will show that too. Okay? Yes. So this is the way it will be done. And we are going to decorate it with golden lace and a big star I was having. If you also have, you can use that, or any other thing, or a bow you can make out of it. You would be having some stones, some stars, some other kind of decorative stuff. And whatever you have, you can use that. You can do one more thing. You can take some, you can simply make a roll out of cotton or waste newspaper, and you can take used gift paper. And when we open gift, so that gift paper you can make chocolates out of it, and wrap it as it a toffee is there, and you can decorate your Christmas tree with toffee also. This ways you will be able to reuse gift paper also. So these are some ideas which could be used for decorating your Christmas tree. See, very few pages are left, and very soon it will be done. So I will return back to my story again. So what happened then? They told that thank you so much that you selected us Santa Claus. Santa Claus, you know everything, but still we want to see the future. Can you take us to 2050, 25 years like in future? So Santa Claus said, although this is not permitted, but as you created so many good causes, ठीक है, sit on my sledge and let's go to 2025. They were super happy. So Santa Claus said, do you want to keep few things like water or eatables? So they said, Arey, we are going to future. We will taste things of that era only. So we will not take anything. है ना? So Santa Claus smiled and said, okay. And then they all sat on the sledge of Santa Claus. Santa Claus. I see all these papers, they were not properly attached. So I removed them. I will keep it on another side. And this is the way you will be completing all the folds. My folds are about to get over, and I will take care. When you will go further, you will see, you will press the tip of your paper very nicely. You will press and press your each and every fold nicely. And otherwise, what will happen? They will keep opening and they will spoil the complete structure of it. Can you see that it is about to get over? And now slowly the shape which will come up is very clear. So I will return back to my story. So now what happened? The journey in 2025, 2050, and towards that started. And although Santa Claus insists they take some eatable, take some water, but they refuse to take anything. And they simply said, and Santa Claus simply instructed the reindeers who were dragging that take us to 2050. And what happened? Slowly, the sky, it seems as if sky and colors of sky, they are changing quickly, days and night, days and night, days and nights around, and quickly, as we fast forward any movie, na, any video, exactly that ways, like the things around started changing, and soon they were in 2050. It was a place where like light everywhere, and they were able to see like buses, trains, everything was moving in sky. Sky was just like a road, okay, and buildings like can't believe, and the height was beyond your imagination. And with all technological developments, they were able to see all people, they are carrying a cylinder there. When they reached 2050, they were not able to breathe, and they started saying, we're feeling suffocated, Santa Claus. Santa Claus said, don't worry, I will gift you 2 oxygen cylinders as gift. And Santa Claus took out 2 oxygen cylinders from that very big bag from which Santa Claus always gift gift gifts to some others. So today, two oxygen cylinder was given to them. They were feeling suffocated because they were from the place where no oxygen cylinder is needed for breathing. Although even today's time, the condition is very, very like challenging. And at some places, breathing in open air has become very risky. And that's why students are given holidays. And in Delhi, this kind of health emergency has been declared. Okay. So, but in 2050, like oxygen was almost nil and everyone was carrying oxygen cylinder. Okay. And what happened? They decided they wanted to see their own home also. But first, they wanted to visit the place. And they were surprised to see big buildings and everything moving around. You know? And they were least bothered that they are able to breathe with help of oxygen cylinder. This technological development and everything was like beyond imagination. And like they were trying to visualize that what is going to happen, what kind of technological development they would be having. They said, okay, Santa Claus, we heard that moon is going to be the station. So we want to visit that also. So they said, okay, we will take ticket, we will sit in train. And in train, like we have different stations, now the moon will also come and you will be able to go there. So they, with lots of excitement, took the ticket of that. They sit in train and the station was moon and other planets. They were kind of railway stations. And they were very happy to visit there. And different kind of vehicles were arranged there, different kind of volunteers, different kind of computers who can move, who can walk. They were helping you out visiting that place. So they find it full of fun and excitement. And then they started feeling um, hungry and thirsty. So they told Santa Claus, take us to our home. Like how our mom and dad will look in 2050. We want to see. So Santa Claus said, okay. And then they reached to the place where they were living in present. Like they were having a beautiful park around, lots of trees around. But this time in 2025, there was nothing. The air was completely like without any oxygen, heavy, difficult to breathe in, and there was no green color left. No green color, not even a single grass was there. And all the trees, like today, the home where they're living, it is so green from surrounding with lovely birds, butterflies. But like that time, nothing is there. And when they reach home, which was looking little, see, I have just 2 pages left. Hopefully, you also must have come to the end. They knocked the door, and one old age lady opened the door. And this was mom, who was looking pale and weak and with an oxygen mask, and hair turned gray. Face was looking shineless. Otherwise, the mom of these two kids was looking very beautiful with shiny skin. But here in 2025, not only mom, but all are having very like rough skin without any shine over. See, your Christmas tree, I will show the front view. And what you will do last, now you're going to, okay, I will give you front view so that you can see it properly. Can you see this? This is your Christmas tree ready. Okay. This is your Christmas tree ready, and I will fold it so that all around it could be round. So you will spread your pages in the way that it could be like of the kind all around. According to size of your paper, your shape will be little different, but this is your Christmas tree. This front view would have given you clear idea. From top view, it's not clear. What I will do, I will simply make it sleep like this so that you can clearly see how it. Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I know you all are doing. Will you show how much is done? Yes. Yes. Oh, very good. Very nice folds. And Arav, you took a very small book now, which is having 3 to 4. So you can take many books of this kind and then you can do pasting. Okay. Now you got the fold? Yeah. Anna? So yes. If your paper book is very thin and it is not giving you complete surrounding, and even Charit, And I can see there were few pages in your book, so you can take many more books of this kind. And I can see a beautifully decorated Christmas tree in hands of Chehek. Yes. And now we will learn its decoration. Okay, we will decorate it. And this can stand. And you can see it can stand even. Wherever you will keep, it can stand. And can you see beautiful shape of it? Just using a one old notebook and textbook. And now onwards, if in your school, ma'am is asking to get a Christmas tree, please try to reuse things. And this is urgent need of today's time. When you are purchasing things, and the kind of Christmas tree which you are purchasing from market, that is made of plastic, it is non biodegradable. This tree, if it will go in environment, it will get decomposed. It is eco friendly. So be that one, and that is what I'm going to share with you in our today's story. Show me thumb down. How many of you want me to wait for a little time? Show me your thumb down. Okay, there are so many. So we will wait for 3 to 4 minutes more. Okay, and then we will start with the work. So I have this beautiful star, and I kept my Christmas tree in this position. So I will keep it here. Okay, and we will decorate. Now, if you feel that you want to color it, the green color you will take, any thick paintbrush you will take, and without taking water, you will simply apply dry, and don't take much water. Otherwise, what will happen? So you can simply take, if your color is absolutely dry, then it's different. Shall we move ahead, or do you want me to wait for a little more time? Little more time? You can even do pasting of cotton. If you don't have anything, you can simply make balls of it, and you can do pasting of it. And balls. You can do pasting of it. If you have some other things, you can. If you have this kind of caps, I will be using lace. I will make bow out of it, and I will teach how to make that in a simple way. And we will use this for decorating. So it's not like you should have so many things. And many times we have this kind of things also. Few different kind of laces, and so you can even use that. So whatever material you have, you can go ahead with that. Okay? Yeah. Come on, do this. So I will come back to my story. By the time when you all are doing this, so what happened when they reach home? They were able to see mom, who turned very old by this time, and then what happened? They were surprised to see, and they said, "Ki mom, we are very hungry." So mom gave very little, 2 or 3 capsules in plate, and said, "Ki beta, please eat this." So they said, "Ki mom, we want food. Please cook rice, dal, and vegetables. We want to eat this. We are extremely hungry." So mama said, "Ki nothing of this kind is growing these days. These are capsules of vitamins, and in 2050 we are eating this only. Can you see any green color, any tree around?" And children were surprised. Yeah, because of this only the air is stinking, and they're not able to breathe even. So they said, "Okay, give us water. We are very much tired. We want to take bath." So mama simply got a spray machine and few sprays over body, and said ki, and one capsule of water, in which was just 1 or 2 drops of water. So said ki, this is your water, drink it." So they said ki, "We want a full glass water, please." So mama said, "No, people of 2025, they wasted and cut trees and water that much, that in 2050 nothing is left. We eat capsules of vitamins for food, and we use oxygen cylinder for breathing, and for food also we have this only. We don't have food, water, air available. In 2050 nothing is available." So they were so surprised, and they wanted, and now they realized that why Santa Claus was asking again and again, take some food and some water, because in future it is going to be, we will not find it, it will disappear, and this is actually our future. The way we are wasting water today, it is going to be left in eyes as tears tomorrow. As we simply turn on tap, we simply don't bother about how precious it is. Shall we move ahead? Yeah. Chalo, now quickly let's complete it. So what you will do, first thing, you will put a star. So I will put my star in the end. first I will use this for making bow. So for this you can use your stapler if you want to use, or your Fevicol also you can try if you want to use your Fevicol. And with stapler I think it will be easy for you. So see, I will simply in one gift I found this, and I simply kept it so that I can reuse it. So what I will do, it will be too small. So I will cut three stripes of it, three of equal size. This much big size you can keep, and with Fevicol, I will make its bows. And a three. This much big you can keep, because just to keep and arrange that if you keep it this ways it will look good, or you can simply make this kind of shape and you can do its pasting for decorating this, okay, or you can make bows also for making it looking beautiful. Okay, so chalo, let's complete it. है ना? What you can do, see, you keep it this ways, and the last you will keep here and the bow will be ready. Okay, I will show you again. I will remove it. See how to make bow. Suppose this is a lace, है ना? You will keep it over each other like this, and you will simply do this. Okay, you will simply do this and your bow is ready. So this also could be done, or you can simply cut it this ways and you can make this kind of simple bow all around. Okay, this kind of simple bow I will be making so that I can do its pasting all around. So first we will color it, as we mentioned about color also. So what you will do, you will take your thick brush or cotton if you have, and you will color it first. So you will take your color. If it is fake color, like tube color, so very little water, and softly you will start moving over surface. This is optional, है ना? If you want to do it, you can. If you want to skip this, you can. It's completely your choice. What for this, what you can do, you can simply make it compact, and then if you will do coloring, it will be easy for you to do. So put green somewhere. Don't try to cover it completely, and also it will get good. So make it compact like this, and simply do green all over. And this green is quite dry. Don't take too much of water. Otherwise, the fold will become loose and it will lose its beauty. So see, I put my sap green color and nicely, and immediately, and I'm using acrylic color, so immediately I will open and I will spread it just like a, see, this is the way you will do, and I will open it as my Christmas tree. Okay, so little green on surface will give it a beautiful look. Okay, and if you don't want to do it, don't do it. It is absolutely optional. Without this also, the tree will look great, because after fold, it is having its own beautiful pattern with whatever is written there. है ना? With that, it is having its own pattern. Now this tree, which you are able to see the top view, top view of it, you can see it is surrounded all around, And you can simply spread your leaves little here so that it can look round all around. Okay. And you will start decorating it. So the very first thing you will do, you will start making bows. So I will make a bow like this. And like this, I will make bows so that I can put it all over. Or you can make it little more compact like this. And you can make it this ways also. If you want to cut its square pieces and you want to display it all over, you can even do that ways also. If you want to cut its leaf shape, you can cut its leaf shape and you can use that also. So in any ways, like it could be done. So the very first thing we will be doing is we will put a big star. So I will take Fevicol. I will apply it on the top. My Fevicol is of very good quality. And I immediately like, and this very big star I have, I will love to put it on the top. On the top, I will love to put it. Okay. I will do one thing. I will tie this, or I will do its pasting with each other. And even sellotape could be used for this. And I will simply tuck it off. Okay. So now take out your decoration material and using that start doing it. Okay. So a big star, some shiny laces, whatever you have, be ready with that. Okay. So with nicely, you will connect them. Okay. And you can then put it somewhere here. Okay. Yes. So this we are going to do in the end. Before this, let's get started with bows. So I will take bow, and if you want to take some leaves or some flowers or some toys or some gifts or whatever, toffees, chocolates, you can whatever you have, or even snowballs. And we have lovely snowballs. If you have colorful snowballs, you can definitely try that. And using it, we are going to make it. So what I will do, I will simply cut a lace in triangular shape or any shape, and I can simply paste it. And as my lace is quite broad, so I will cut it in square shapes and I will simply put square shapes. These are shiny. They will look great. So with limited efforts, limited things also you could do. And you have different material available. As we are working on waste material, I will be using the square pieces of the laces and snowballs, and I will use lots of snowballs, and in the end I will put my star because star is quite heavy. So in the end I will put, and otherwise it will keep falling down and we will find it difficult to do work with. So I will simply cut them in squares. You can make bows, even bow also. Okay, if you want to make a bow out of it, you can. You can see I'm simply cutting these. Yeah. Can you see this kind of square pieces I cut? This kind of square pieces. Okay. And now we will start its pasting. So what I will do, I will keep it in this position so that at least you can see how I'm decorating. Okay. So I will take lots of, first I will prepare it nicely. Like I will make lots of balls because lots of cotton balls. Cotton is easily available material. So if you don't have anything else, simply take your cotton balls and decorate your tree with it. Okay. Whatever you have available, use that. Okay. Uh, yes. More. More. Some this kind of balls you will make. Leaves, artificial leaves. Many times in bouquets, we have leaves, you can use that also. Try to see that what ways you can reuse waste stuff. And now with help of earbud, I will start applying. I will have to keep it in standing position. Okay. Yeah. In standing position, I will have to keep, and I will simply place it this way. I will give you front view. Let me decorate it quickly first. Then I will give you front view so that you can see. And this you will do all around. Okay. And something very lightweight try to put. Okay. Very lightweight. Don't try to put very heavy. And if you are applying something heavy, then put Fevicol in the way that it should not come out. So see, I will simply do its pasting in a diamond shape, and wow, it's really looking great. It's very lightweight. It's hardly taking much time getting pasted. I will show the front view. Just a minute. Huh? Let me finish it. I will show its front view. So laces or whatever you have, you can use glue gun or Fevicol or any other thing with which you feel that you are able to get it tugged easily. Use that. Okay. Here also, nicely. You can keep your tree horizontally also so that nicely you can finish it. And some cotton balls. I will do pasting of some cotton balls. Okay, just a minute. So this is the way. Now I will return back to my story. So what happened then in my story? When they were not able to see that no food is left in future, no water is left in future, no, like they are not able to breathe even. And they started feeling restless. The air seems to be so heavy there. Although tall buildings were there, they were able to reach to planets. But one thing was very clear: what they did with their own mother planet. Like in future, that it was not a place where one can live happily. And they realized that 2025 is far better, far, far better than that. And they said, Santa Claus, please take us back to our home, 2025. We don't want to be in this time anymore. And Santa Claus said, okay, are you sure you don't want to be here now? So they said, we are absolutely sure that we don't want to be here now. Please take us to our old place. And Santa Claus brought them again to present time. And they immediately removed their mask and everything. They first breathed, they drank water, they ate food, and they realized what is going to happen in future. And after returning back from future, they decided now lots of work they need to do for betterment of environment. And from that day onwards, they dedicated their lives for betterment, planting trees and all. And they shared this experience in school assembly. And a good coverage, media also gave a good coverage. And finally, see the front view. I will show the front view. See, from front view, it's looking like this. And last but not the least, star on the top. I will show, add that also, and then we'll show you the full view. So it is going to be this way is done. Okay. And this is your Christmas tree ready. Can you see this Christmas tree with this kind of lots of snow and everything? We tried to do pasting. All this white color will become transparent and a star on the top. 3D Christmas tree all around like it is round. And you can, if you will do pasting of few more beautiful things, it will come up, turn up more beautifully. With very minimum resources, how it will turn up. This I wanted to tell. Okay. So this is our Christmas tree, and yes, I can see the decoration is on, and you all are having more creative stuff than I was having. And when my efforts was just to make you understand with minimum efforts also, it could be done. After doing colors immediately, and make it compact, collect all its wings, and then do color, it will become easy for you. And collect all the wings together, make it compact, and then do coloring. Yeah, I can see such lovely decoration. Kavya, yes, it's looking so amazing. And coloring is on. Navya is decorating. And a star, it will, you can just keep it in horror sleeping position also. While doing decoration, you can hold it in hands. Yes, so see, this is the way. Wow, it's so beautiful. Lovely. Okay, and its wings will open if it is not compact. है ना, अगर इस पेड़ की सारी जो हमने फोल्ड किए हैं वो बहुत कम है तो ये खुलेगा बार बार. बट इफ इट इज compact, it will not open. And your Christmas, if you have some artificial leaves na, or dry leaves, you can even do pasting of that. Many times we discard flower arrangement at home, and old flowers also we discard. You can use that also. So whatever you have available, है ना, rakhis, clips, whatever, you can use all that, laces and cotton. If nothing, then use cotton. With cotton, it will turn up very well. Okay, so try to see what you can use. And now don't throw off your discarded ball pens, sketch pens. Keep them because we will learn something amazing very soon out of it. Okay, and then they, both the kids, they returned back to present time, and they decided to work hard for saving nature. After looking at the miserable condition of future, and they started growing more plants. They started sharing their experience with everyone, and government took great action, serious actions, and so that the future can be saved. And next Christmas, after this Christmas, next Christmas, after working hard for long throughout year, and after growing lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of plants, they told again we want to see 2050. And now 2050 was green. When they reached to 2050, it was green, no oxygen mask, no scarcity of water, no scarcity of food. And yes, your tomorrow begins with today. Save today to save tomorrow. So here, if you really don't want the kind of environment where you are using capsules of vitamins for as food and capsules of water as, so start saving today. Start saving each and every drop of water. If we will not be aware today, then our future is going to be very challenging. This is very sure. Okay, to save today to save tomorrow. I think little front view will help you understanding in better ways. Okay, see. Pasting, and this white color, which is Fevicol, will turn transparent. And I simply cut the square pieces of the lace. It was a little golden, and did pasting all around. Okay, this is front view of my Christmas tree. Okay, and this 3D Christmas tree, which is absolutely simple to prepare and hardly any investment. If you have some shiny laces, green, green kind of laces we have, and now I think decoration is on, and I can see it's going perfectly, beautifully. And by the time, if possible, or do you want me to wait for a little time? ठीक है, तो we will take a pause of 5 minutes, and afterwards I will request moms to be with us so that we can talk. And few are complete. I will request my team members like Shri Kavya. है ना? Shri Kavya's work is over. Your mom is with you, Shri Kavya? No? Okay. So few moms are also there. We will love to talk to moms as well. And while doing work, so I will request my team member to unmute those who are sitting with their moms. So please raise your hands so that my team member can unmute you and we can start talking also by the time the work is on. Okay. So yes, Neha ma'am, please try to spotlight. Hello ma'am, you can spotlight parents. So, my dear moms, please stay tuned so that we can talk and we can have your reviews. And this is a simple way of making Christmas tree using absolute waste stuff. So, this is time when we should motivate our children to reuse things so that they can save environment. And the output, like this tree, is absolutely biodegradable, and if we will switch on to this kind of habits, for sure, we will be able to reduce the heaps and mountains of garbage, and we will be able to find out a solution which is sustainable. So now onwards, do nothing from market, and try to create your own stuff. I can see Vishla Lakshmi. Lakshmi created one tree so beautifully, and some maroon flowers, and very good. I can see Viraya. Okay, Viraya. So, wow, such lovely Christmas tree. Yes, please, ma'am, unmute yourself. Those who are spotlight, please unmute yourself so that we can talk. Sanvit, yes, it's a beautiful Christmas tree. Ma'am, please unmute yourself and do share your feedback.
Yes, ma'am, it was wonderful experience and especially reusing the old book.
And it is so beautifully made. The fold is so perfect, and with cotton, it has turned up so well.
Yes, especially the story that you were telling and the things that we were discussing when you were telling the story. So it was overall total good experience.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And after completing, please do share this craft in hands of Sanvit with a smile.
Sure.
Sanvit, you enjoyed?
Yeah,
Yes?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes? Enjoyed the session? Okay. So now, when teacher is asking to get a Christmas tree, you will make your own Christmas tree. Nothing from market. Okay? This
Okay.
way, we will be able to help out environment. Okay? Very well done. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp.
Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, I will request other moms also. Yes, I can see Taisha Gupta. Yes, hello, ma'am. How are you? Ma'am, try to unmute yourself. Try to unmute yourself. Um, I can see green coloring is still
Hello,
on and the
ma'am.
fold. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
please do
How are you
share your
doing?
experience, how the reuse of a waste book, how it was, and what was the experience of Taisha. I really want to know.
Sure, ma'am. And I really love the concept that because yes, it is required. Our environment, it has been harmed by us, and we are lacking resources. So I really love the concept, and yes, the kids will also imbibe this reuse, recycle, and all. So it was amazing.
And ma'am, one more thing I wanted to know, like uh, it was kind of a craft which needs lots of patience, like continuously one fold we were doing. So what is experience like Taisha was able to enjoy? Taisha, you enjoyed? Yes?
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
lost in coloring, enjoyed the fold and everything. So now no tree from market. Okay. Now you're going to hand over your whole own handmade tree for class decoration. Okay. And
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
please do share your experience on WhatsApp.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And I will,
Thank you, ma'am.
Divit, yes, I can. Divit, yes, please unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm really good, and the concept is really good because in today's generation, even us, it was very much needed to educate this. And I just wanted to let you know I'm a nano influencer on Instagram. I would
Okay.
like to promote this voluntarily because the kind of classes, craft and art you are teaching, it's really outstanding. So I would
Wow.
like to promote this. Please inform your team to get in touch with me so that I would need some pictures and some details so that I would post it on my
Yeah,
Instagram.
sure. It will be a pleasure. Few days back, I
Yeah.
conducted one classes in which
Mm-hmm.
I taught them how to use the shell of coconut water. Like after
Mm-hmm.
enjoying coconut water, we throw it off. How to use that or waste bottle to make sparrow houses. So we will love if somebody can support us this ways, because this is time when students should come up and stand with stand-alone spirit, like soldiers. They should take complete charge of environment. This is very true,
Correct, correct.
ma'am. We are going to hand over very wounded and damaged earth to them. We spoiled everything which is of their part. So it will be a pleasure if somewhere you can help us out this ways. I will tell my team to
Yeah,
get
ma'am,
connected with
definitely.
you.
Hello,
Yeah.
Definitely. So
can you please share me your number on 827? It's 827
Yeah,
9.
this is voice of my team member. Please note it down, ma'am.
oh, okay. I'll make a note of it. I thought some other parent is speaking.
No,
So
this is my team member. My
okay, yeah,
yeah.
Yeah,
yeah.
hi.
Just a second, ma'am. Yeah,
It's
yeah. Please tell me the number. Yeah,
827
827
971
971
6928.
6928. I would repeat it. 8279716928. Right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. You can
Okay, sure. I'll
message
connect
that
with
number.
you on WhatsApp so you can provide me more details. I would like to promote this because this is really good. I want to do it voluntarily. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank
And
you.
hopefully together we will make this planet a better place to live in, especially for
Sure,
upcoming
ma'am. Definitely.
generations. Thank you
Sure,
so
sure.
much,
Definitely.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I just want to know one more thing, like this process, lots of patience and continuously single fold we were going with. So he enjoyed like throughout.
Yes, ma'am. He was enjoying. So generally, he doesn't attend, the classes consistently. But your drawing classes and art and craft classes, he attends continuously. He never gets bored. And the most important part, which he likes and even I like, I think, like us, most of the parents also like the stories that you share. Every story has a moral, and the way you are, keeping the kids engaged by doing even difficult tasks. It's really too good, ma'am. It's keep doing this great work. The society needs more people like you, more teachers like you,
That is very
who
good.
teach kids morals along with art and craft. Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so
Thank you
much,
for
ma'am.
your work.
Thank you so much, and your support. And
Thank
let's
you,
go
ma'am.
together and gift a beautiful planet to our upcoming generation.
Sure, ma'am. Definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am. Thank
And
you.
now I will request Urja. My this is a princess I can see with a cute crowd. Wow. Wow, this is so beautiful, so amazing, and the fold is still on and so amazingly like it is done. Very good. Urja, you are looking like a princess with this lovely crown.
Thank you, Nani.
Welcome, my princess.
Okay.
My granddaughter, Urja is my granddaughter, is attending the class. Very good, Urja. You like the class? Enjoy?
Nani,
Yes. Very good. Continue, my dear. Okay.
bye-bye.
And don't forget to share your photo, okay, after completing.
Nani, see my rubber band.
Yeah. You put it over, okay? Yes. Okay, now I will request Izan. Izan, please try to unmute yourself. Izan, I can see a beautiful craft and snowballs, and I can see star stickers. I think mom is not with Izan. We can, yes, this is Viraya. Viraya, lovely, like beautiful decoration with red star on the top. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Please try to unmute yourself.
Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes,
How are
yes,
you?
I can. How are you,
Yes,
ma'am?
yeah, fine, ma'am, fine, ma'am. The way you are teaching the art is too good, and every Sunday she's literally waiting for that. She's not even sleeping, and if she's missing, she's literally crying. Why didn't you make me wake up like that? She's literally waiting for the weekly classes also. She don't want to miss even at the time of high fever. She's telling,
Oh,
okay, I'm okay. I don't want to miss. I want to do that.
wow.
And wherever she's doing the artwork in the drawing competitions, she's always winning the prizes. The all
Wow.
credit goes to you, ma'am.
No,
Everyone is
this credit,
asking how
see, the
can
one who deserves this credit is Viraya only. Her hard work, devotion, perseverance, efforts, like although in high fever, she want to do work. This devotion is behind victories. I'm the only one who is giving shape to that creativity which she's already blessed with. And even this tree is so beautifully decorated, so beautiful. And this red star is just looking like cherry on the top. Ma'am, how was the concept? I really want to know about this.
sorry, ma'am.
The concept, like converting a waste book in a Christmas
Yes,
tree.
yes, it's really awesome, ma'am, and she's also trying to do the same after the class also. She used to tell like, Leena ma'am told me to keep the things properly, to put it back. I will do on my own. Don't need to help me. I'll do like that.
Wow, very good. Very good, Viraya. I'm really proud of you, my dear. Like you are listening everything. And see, these stories and these all instructions are actually for this, so that few changes we can bring in our lives. I'm really proud of you. I'm really blessed to have such amazing students like you. Bless you a
In
lot.
your 1 month of class, we joined during the summer vacation, and after that we took a break because during the school she couldn't able to manage like that. Then again she came up one day and she asked again, I want to join the class. Now we have enrolled for 1 year course and we are happy about it also. As a family, we are very grateful to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your love and your trust. This is treasure of my life and our classes. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, I will
Thank you, ma'am.
request Sharon. Sharon
Thank you,
Kaur.
ma'am.
Hello. I can see a beautiful tree in front of you, nicely decorated with beautiful stuff you were having. Wow. And the fold is so perfect. Like it is compact. Very good. Ma'am, please do share your experience.
పెట్టండి ఇక్కడ పెట్టండి
And other parents can be included.
Please, yeah. Please, other parents, it's a request, mute yourself so that, yes, ma'am, please.
So, I would like to thank you so much for the wonderful work, ma'am, you are doing. In fact, not only Sharon, sometimes I really enjoyed your all the drawing and art session, and I personally recommend your classes to my, office colleague. And in fact, the yesterday night, one of my colleague thanking of me. I said, why you thank you to me? And he said, the class you have recommended is like amazing, wonderful, and he's really enjoying. And I was like, I told you, it's not about only the class and the drawing ma'am taught, but that story, ma'am. I'm a damn fan of your story. The way you put the story, the lesson, the moral is amazing, which I am not doing since last 7 years. I never try to, portray the story the way you are doing. It's really amazing, and just keep it up the good work, ma'am. And see the today's work. Wow.
Wow, so beautiful, so amazing. Painting, pasting, and whatever stuff was available. Nice
Yeah.
efforts. Very good.
I'm
Very good,
Sharon. I
Sharon.
wanted to thank you. Say, Sharon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Cheryl, it's lovely work, and I really feel I'm blessed to have amazing students like you and lovely parents like you too, ma'am. This love is treasure of our class, actually. Very beautiful
You
work. And
become an inspiration of, I think, many mothers now a time, because the way you are doing job, this amazing work is recommend it for everyone, and it's very inspiring for me as well. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your love, your trust in us. Thank you so much, and lots of blessings for both of you and all
Thank
at
you.
home. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will request Izan. Izan, I think my mom is not available. Ma'am, please, yeah, Izan, I can see it's a lovely craft you did. Very good. Folds and the decoration with whatever stuff you were having. Nice work. Great efforts. Do you have your mom at home? I can see Sri Kavya. Oh my God, it's a lovely decorative Christmas tree I can see and a bright smile. Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, ma'am. How are
Sorry, I
you?
was not available at home. Previously, you asked her. Ma'am, it's a
It's
very
so,
beautiful idea, ma'am, using the old notebook in a Christmas tree form.
yeah, and so nicely with available stuff, so beautifully decorated.
Yeah, all are these, they are rubber bands, ma'am, whose elastic
Oh,
satin.
arey wow.
Hi,
It is
Vara.
a great
Yeah, she
idea you
used all
share.
the
We
rubber bands.
too, Vara. Hi.
Wow, very good. Very nice.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. And your classes are wonderful.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Truly
Please do
better.
share your experience on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
And Sri
sure, ma'am.
Kavya, you did excellent work. And I really
Thank you,
praise
ma'am.
your efforts and the way you folded each and every paper. Great. Thank you so much. Please do share your experience on WhatsApp. Want to
Hi.
say something, Kavya?
She was saying that she was not well. So tell to ma'am that I am well now
Yeah, see,
because of the art and craft work.
yeah, take good care of your health and see students like a few minutes back when mom shared, like if she's not well, then also she want see this magical work which I'm able to see in your hands. This is only because of that dedication, devotion, and joy my children are having. I'm blessed with the most amazing artist of the world. And that's why no, I'm not a good teacher. I
No, no,
have
you are the
good
best teacher,
students.
ma'am. You teach us
No,
very
I have
well.
good students. That's why I'm a good teacher. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
And do
you.
share your
Have a nice day.
experience. Take care of your health, Kavya. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And I can see Adya. Oh my God, lighting also. अरे वाह क्या बात है क्या बात है so lovely and with thermocol balls like each Christmas tree is showing its own level of creativity and here lights has add a spark to the world. Ma'am, please do share your experience. Do share about how there was into it, or she get bored or wanted to run away, or throughout she enjoyed complete journey while making it. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please unmute yourself. Ma'am, you're not audible. Please try to unmute yourself. You have this access? No, I'm not able to hear. Neha, please check. Do we have any technical?
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, please try to unmute yourself now. No, I think some technical problem we are facing. But this Christmas tree is looking so appealing and outstanding. Folds, coloring, decoration, everything is marvelous. Very well done. Neha, ma'am, are we facing some technical issues? I'm not able to hear Adya's mom.
Everything is fine from my side, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Maybe some technical glitch from that side. Ma'am, we are not able to hear you. I think some technical glitch is there. But the work is excellent, and your thumbs up is clearly acknowledging that she enjoyed it throughout. Adya, amazing work. Lots of blessings. Thank you. Thank you so much. Lots of blessings to you and all at home. I will request Chehek also to unmute. And a beautiful craft with a sparkling star over. Try to unmute yourself, ma'am. Chehek
Hello,
Sahu.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
She's
ma'am.
my
How are you?
good. Yes, fine, ma'am.
Wow, this is a lovely Christmas tree, beautifully decorated and a shiny star over.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
was your journey? Do I like the complete process of making?
Yes, ma'am. She made this one also, ma'am.
Wow, very good. She was showing through during class also. Very
Yes,
nice,
ma'am.
Chehek.
You're not listener. She's telling me, ma'am. Ma'am, not telling me.
Actually, giving review for drawings is little challenging. But if you will
Yeah,
message this on my WhatsApp, I will review
yeah,
each and every artwork.
yeah, ma'am. You replied that, ma'am. I saw
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Yeah, and the Christmas tree is looking great. Like some laces and everything. Like each Christmas tree is showing its own creativity. Chak, you
ma'am.
enjoy it making it?
She
Yes.
enjoy a lot, ma'am. She's very excited
So
every
now
day.
we will not purchase any Christmas tree from market for class
Yeah.
decoration. We will create our own Christmas tree. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Great
you.
work. Very good. Do share your experience, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, I can see Advika Sahu. Yes, ma'am. Please unmute yourself. And a lovely drawing of Ardhanarishwar.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. How are you,
Hello.
ma'am?
I'm good. Hello. How are you, ma'am?
All good, ma'am. All good. Means now both of these children, no, the Chek Sahu and Advika Sahu, both of them are niece.
Okay. This is artist family, I will have to say.
Yes, ma'am. And both of these, after completing their drawings, no, they share their drawings through video call. She lives in Hyderabad and we live in Indore. Actually,
Okay.
And really, ma'am, it's a very good idea. Actually, even I am a teacher. We used to teach students like recycling. We have to do recycle, reuse. But really, you have made a practical in front of the students. So really, they are going to understand what is the meaning of using the waste things to make such a useful stuff. So really, ma'am,
Yeah.
thank you so much for means inspiring the students for such a noble work.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And the work is excellent. Even the folds, like lots of patience was needed as complete book they were folding. But I was able to see they were lost while doing
Yes, ma'am.
it.
Yes,
The whole credit goes to students. Thank you so
Yes,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am. And she's
Okay.
attending classes joyfully. Like
Yes, ma'am. Means eagerly, she waits for the class, and she did it by herself. Actually,
very good, Advika. This is beautiful work you did. Very good. Keep it up and teach your friends also so that they can also reuse a waste notebook and slowly small steps will bring a big change in environment. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, I will request Yashika Purohit. Please unmute yourself, Yashika. Your mom is with you. I can see a grand Christmas tree with beautiful decoration and lovely cotton balls. Yashika, your mom is with you? No? You did excellent work. You enjoyed the class? Yes? Okay, that's amazing. So, I think, Neha ma'am, we can, so my dear children and parents, thank you so much for your support and for being with us. Yes, Sanvit, I can see this beautiful landscape of yours.
Come here.
Yes. Fortunately we have Papa also and a beautiful newspaper star over. Oh my God, it's a height of creativity. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Sir, please do share your experience. And this star, which is made of newspaper, is looking great.
Yeah, I have made for her. But
Wow, so
the things
creative
and
it
all,
is.
she has written. She's always interested in your Sunday classes, ma'am. And we are always eagerly waiting for your classes.
Okay, thank you so much. And this is behind this magical work which they created. This
And
effort.
behind that all
Yeah.
is Hey, come.
Yes, hello, ma'am.
Please, Sophie. Yeah, let's see. Are you excited? Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I can see Suhani Gupta. I will request you, ma'am, to unmute yourself. And a beautiful Christmas tree with golden star and red satin ribbon around. Lovely.
Yes.
Hello,
Thank you,
ma'am. How are
ma'am.
you?
Thank you, Sam. Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good, ma'am.
Ma'am, please do share your experience while creating this Christmas tree.
Yes, sure, ma'am. It's already been said that this concept is beautiful, and I admire all your artworks which you are teaching. And you know, ma'am, what? Sanya wants to be an artist like you.
Okay. You are already like artist and better than mine, my dear, not like
No,
me.
no, ma'am. When she wants to grow up, she wants to be an artist.
That's
So she
amazing.
admires you. She admires your artwork so much.
Wow.
So,
This magic which I can see in your hand, that is because of that devotion, that love for art only, my dear. And I wish you all the best. This world is going to get a great artist very soon in future.
ma'am, I don't know whether she's become an artist or not, but
Nay,
she
if we
admires
have
your
love
work.
and joy, we are enjoying art and craft, then we are
And
artists. Art is
yes,
what? Nothing expression of your heart. That enjoy, if you are able to express in ways of colors and all, then you are artist.
right, ma'am. Because like the market is full of so much stuff, all these plastic Christmas trees, everything. So I
Yeah,
wonder where we heading towards?
yeah,
Like, so this is
yeah,
a great effort, great initiative to teach our kids that we
yeah,
don't have, like, we have to preserve our environment, we have to
yeah.
conserve our environment.
And even I
So this
think,
is a,
ma'am, schools should take initiatives and teachers should take initiatives to reuse things at the place. I was also a teacher. I was teaching in missionary schools. Since 16 years, I taught there. And my
okay,
first instruction used to be nothing from market. And you know
right.
what? We were having a school with name Shubhkamna, in which
Mm-hmm.
some children from slum areas, they were coming to study. So our children were preparing this kind of stuff. In parents' meeting, we were selling them off, and the whole fund we were raising, we were giving it to Shubhkamna. It used to be the donation from children with their hard work. So this concept I practically implemented when I was in school, and I think teachers should come up with the idea where they should motivate children to reuse things so that they can save environment, because small steps are going to bring a big change, I personally believe, and I did it practically when I was teaching in a school.
Yes, ma'am, this is the need of the hour because
Yeah,
we adults, we might understand, we might not understand, but when we'll inculcate all these values in our kids, then definitely this world will become a better
yeah,
place.
ma'am,
Like,
this is my purpose. I experience it practically. Like our
right,
children are blessed with outstanding creativity. The only thing needed is proper guidance and shape. If we will
right,
nurture this, that you need to save environment, है ना? Just you are a soldier, then they are going to do magic. They are having unlimited potential. This is my personal experience when I was with children and teaching them physically. Now we switch on to online classes, but they have outstanding potential, which teachers should come up and take the responsibility and teach them to reuse things at the place of purchasing things from market.
right.
Yeah,
And then only a big change is going to come because these
yeah.
small little changes will turn into a big change.
Yeah, if I will
Yes,
get any opportunity in which I can train teachers, I will definitely love to do this, where I can guide them that what ways, like with waste, you can guide your students with beautiful craft and arts.
yes, ma'am, true. And if you want us to support you in any way we can, we are definitely there to support you because we are so much concerned about the environment. So
Yeah.
like even like if we as parents we can support you, please do tell us in
Yeah, ma'am,
whatever way we
together,
can.
because this is the right of these upcoming generation, and we are going to hand them over very wounded and damaged earth. Thought now this
Right,
is our responsibility to heal it. Like in
right,
my dream, I want to create a kind of environment where they will be having clean underground water and clean air at least to breathe. And I'm working in the direction of making Miyawaki jungles also. The whole spare over time which I have after classes, I'm spending it for making my jungles. I will share some videos of that also, because these children, they deserve clean environment, and our
right,
small steps can do that.
right, ma'am. Right,
Yeah.
right.
So whenever I
Yes,
will be needing help of parents, I will definitely let you know, ma'am. And thank you so much for your support. And let's together make this planet a better place to live in. Thank you.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
Oh,
you. And lots of blessings. The craft is beautiful.
thank you,
And
ma'am.
I
Thank you
will
so
request Bisma Rasool. Please turn on your camera. Uh, yes, I think now we can wind up because it's too long for children. And yes, Pooja. Yes, we can. Please unmute yourself. It's a beautiful Christmas tree with a bow on the top and some necklaces and all. My God, such amazing idea.
Thank you, ma'am.
So beautiful. Very good, my dear. Ma'am, how was
Thank
your
you.
experience?
It was good. She was enjoying. She wanted to do all by herself.
Wow. And it is so beautiful. The idea, especially of using this necklace, is
Yeah.
great.
Now
Thank
she all wants to put the hairpins.
Okay, wow, very good. It's so nicely decorated. And ma'am, please do share the artwork and your
Yeah,
experience as well.
definitely,
Thank you
definitely,
so much,
definitely.
ma'am.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
with this, we will wind up class
Yeah,
because for
thank
students
you,
and
ma'am.
parents, it's too long now, I think. And thank you so much, all children, my creative artists, and lovely parents for your support, your trust in us. May God bless you all. May God shower lots of love, joy, happiness, success, and good health in your life always. Thank you so much and lots of blessings.